Samsung Smart TV versus Apple TV. Which one is better? Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to go over another compare and contrast, this time between two smart TVs, Samsung and Apple smart TVs, and which one suits the needs of your family. And we're going to start with Apple TV. So the pros are, we're going to start with the pros and cons, of course. Pros are slick and fluid interface, huge range of supported streaming services, smooth experience, good format support, range of extra features for Apple users, photos and FaceTime on your TV, Fitness Plus on TV is amazing, and Apple Arcade on TV is fun and entertaining. The cons, however, are as follows. Expensive compared to other options, because it is Apple, so a lot of times Apple products are very, very, very pricey. Has to be on show rather than hidden into back of TV, and better for Apple users. Now we go to key specifications, and then we're gonna go break down others. So the key specifications are as follows. So output and ports, HDMI output, and Ethernet, model dependent, depends on the model that you get. Streaming services, all major streaming services, some better integrated than others. Maximum resolution is 4K. The dimensions are 9.3 by 9.3 by 3.1 centimeters. And the weight is from 208 to 214 grams. When it comes to the hardware and design, Apple did not change the design of the Apple TV 4K with the refresh it did, and it continues to be a simple black box that's amazing the size of the palm of your hand. Apple did tweak the size and weight of the Apple TV, and it's now smaller and lighter. It measures in at 3.66 inches on each of its four sides, and it is 1.2 inches tall. So there is an Apple logo at the top, and aside from that, the device is unobtrusive with a black design blending in with home decor. It is small enough that it can fit on any shelf or TV unit next to the television set. There are two Apple TV variants. One has an HDMI 2.1 port and a port for the power supply, while the second one has the same ports with the addition of a gigabit Ethernet port for a wired connection. When it comes to the processor and internals, third generation Apple TV 4K is equipped with a faster A15 Bionic chip. CPU performance is up to 50% faster than the prior generation that was equipped with an A12 chip. And GPU performance is up to 30% faster for improved gameplay. Apple says that the new Apple TV offers improved responsiveness, faster navigation, and snappier UI animations. The Apple TV is now available with either 64 gig or 128 gig of storage, which means more shows and movies that you can save. When it comes to the 4K Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support, like prior versions of the Apple TV 4K, the third generation Apple TV 4K supports 4K HDR content for brighter, more realistic colors and greater detail than is available with a 1080p resolution. With the A15 chip, the Apple TV 4K supports both Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus for the best possible quality of movies and TV shows on compatible TVs. Prior versions of the Apple TV supported Dolby Vision and HDR10, but not HDR10 Plus. The addition of HDR10 Plus improves HDR performance when the Apple TV is used with television sets that do not support Dolby Vision. Siri Remote. The third generation Apple TV continues to use the Siri Remote that was introduced alongside the second generation version. It features a silver aluminum body and a touch-enabled clickpad with gesture support. A single click on the remote brings you into a TV show or movie, while a swipe moves through long lists of content. The outer part of the clickpad can be swiped across the scrub through shows and movies, fast-forwarding and rewinding as needed. The remote includes a TV/home button, a back button, a play/pause button, a mute button, and a set of volume buttons. tvOS and the TV app. tvOS is the operating system that runs on the Apple TV 4K and Apple TV HD, offering an easy-to-navigate television watching experience on Apple's set-top box. With a full App Store, tvOS supports downloading a range of different apps and games that can be used on the Apple TV, and the interface design puts content front and center. Get to what you want to watch using Siri commands, the Apple Remote, or the Remote app on iPhone and Apple Watch, and keep track of shows with Up Next. And now we go to Samsung Smart TV, or specifically Samsung Tizen OS Smart TV. And as you can see, this is their page on the Samsung page website. And we scroll down. There you go. What is Tizen and Smart TV? Is a Linux-based open source operating system that is developed by Samsung and Intel. All Samsung Smart TVs are built in with Tizen OS. Since Tizen is an open source, it is readily available for all developers to build an app which is not only optimized for smart TVs, but also connected devices too, such as smartphones, home appliances, monitors, and much more. So if you have a smart home, this is good. The operating system is a program that manages applications, hardware, and software in your TV. So that is what Tizen or Tizen is. So what does Tizen OS support on smart TV? Samsung Tizen or Tizen OS TV is more than meets the eye. Smart TV that is powered by Tizen not only houses all entertainment apps, which you can access directly from your TV, but also hosts other features like screen mirror, voice assistant, and smart things. When it comes to TV apps that are free to download, one of the best things about Samsung Smart TV is that it has an entertainment hub with a library of TV apps that are free to download. Installing TV apps that you like on a smart TV is easy. You navigate the on-screen interface to the TV apps store and choose the TV app to download. After that, you can immediately watch the content right away with just one click. So this is pretty much it, right? This is what it looks like. Wi-Fi Direct and Bluetooth. Tizen OS also allows you to share files and media from connected devices to the smart TV. The Wi-Fi Direct function with Samsung OS TV makes it easier for you to screen mirroring Samsung and Apple devices to the smart TV. So this is it. Screen mirroring, there you go. As you can see, it pretty much means what plays on your smart TV or Samsung Smart TV can be played on your other device, right? That is what screen mirroring is. Smart TV that is running Tizen OS supports Smart TV View for Galaxy phone with Android 4.2 or higher versions, and AirPlay for screening mirroring iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Make sure you are on the same Wi-Fi connection when you want to mirror and share content from your mobile device to your TV. Voice Assistant, this is another big one. Tizen-based smart TV platforms make your TV even more smarter with a voice assistant feature. Depending on the smart TV, you can choose either Bixby, Alexa, or Google Voice control to interact with your TV and other connected devices too. So as you can see here, this is it. And you can get remotes for that, right? Solar remote. Smart Things. If you're looking to automate all connected devices in a unified and stable ecosystem, Smart Things is the solution. Compatible with most Android phones and iOS-based devices, Smart Things can also be managed on Samsung OS TV. Samsung Tizen TV can serve as the control panel and display for monitoring smart devices that are installed in your home. So meaning, again, just like Apple, just like Apple TV that we touched on earlier this video, this can be the command center. This can be the hub on your smart home, right? Your TV, going over all the other devices connected to it, which is pretty cool. What is the TV apps platform for Samsung TV? Smart Hub is a platform for app access and management in a Samsung Tizen Smart TV. You will see the interface or UI the moment you switch on the TV, which has an array of preloaded TV apps and TV series or movies. So kind of like Netflix, this is what it's going to look like, right? So that's it. And these are the list of Samsung OS TVs with Tizen. So we have Samsung Tizen 4K AU7000, BU8500, Q8OB or Q80B, and Samsung Tizen 8K QN900B, right? And these are going to be the specs for each one of them. So this is for the AU7000. These are the specs. For the BU8500, these are the specs. You can just pause. For the Q8OB or Q80B, these are the specs. And for the new QLED 8K, these are the specs. There you go. So that was Apple TV and Samsung TV, Tizen OS. And hopefully you get you get Apple information to choose whether you go with Samsung or you go with Apple. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.